Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
Hi, Miss Kate.
Okay, this is one of a project that you can do with a single piece of paper. We like those. This is the single piece of paper stretch cake. That's right. If you're feeling a little bit tired and need to stretch, sometimes maybe your cake needs to stretch. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It's pretty easy. Oh, you could do it for holidays. Miss Kate made this one. Get ready, it's a little spooky. Woo! And I made this one for my friend, Sydney. But it wasn't really her birthday, but I thought it might be. Okay, now here's how you do it. Take your piece of paper, regular piece of paper, fold it in half. We like to say hamburger style, fold it in half. Then, I have two pieces of paper. Then you've got your paper, and then you're going to take it, the top part, and fold it in half. So now it's a half and a quarter if you're learning fractions.
Can we look at it sideways too? So
Yes, Miss Kate.
Oh, good.
Right? So half and fold it out, half. Okay. Then you're going to get to drawing. I think I like my cake to go. How did we do this? The big part of your cake will be on the bottom. I'm going to use Sharpie so that you can see. So I'm going to open it up. I'm going to imagine where the line is. Doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm going to make my bottom layer cake. And put a couple flowers on it. Okay. All right. Now my next layer of my cake. My next layer of my cake. And then, okay, I'm going to imagine my next layer of my cake. Put some candles on. Candles. Because it's my 5th birthday. Okay. And fold it up. And look at that. It's like a little cake. And then you fold it out. Woo! Stretchy cake. I have crayons and pencils, and you could decorate it any way you like. How about that?
Could it be used as a card, like a birthday card, do you think?
Yes, it could be used as a birthday card. Yes. Or it could be used for any holiday. It could say like, Happy New Year. It could say, Happy birthday, Miss Kate. Hey, Miss Kate's birthday's coming up. Maybe I'll make one for her. Happy birthday, Miss Kate.
Thank you. I'll be so surprised.
Okay, so that's it. That's the one piece of paper stretchy cake that you can make. I'm not going to color it in because I know you all know how to color. And just remember to make your top layer a little bit so it lines up down here. There you have it. Thank you for joining us today for this fun one-piece paper project here at Alameda Arts. You could subscribe to our channel if you like this video. And if you make one of these fancy stretchy cakes, you could take a picture of it or have a parent or grandma or somebody take a picture of it and hashtag Alameda Arts Fun on Instagram. Yeah, thanks for joining us today. Bye, friends.
Bye, everybody.